Arthritis encompasses a range of conditions that lead to joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, affecting individuals regardless of age, gender, or ethnicity. One such type is osteoarthritis, which emerges due to joint overuse and gradually deteriorates joints, causing pain, swelling, and hindering mobility. Commonly found in areas like the knees, hips, spine, and hands, osteoarthritis disrupts joint function and often afflicts those aged 55 and above, with a higher prevalence among women. Global statistics from 2019 reveal a substantial increase of 113% in osteoarthritis cases since 1990, totaling around 528 million individuals. Factors such as prior joint injuries, advanced age, and excess weight contribute to osteoarthritis, which presents distinct challenges in comparison to rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder characterized by immune system attacks on the joints. Are you ready to discover a delicious and nutritious way to tackle osteoarthritis? Join me as we dive into a smorgasbord of foods that are not only lip-smackingly good, but also brimming with anti-inflammatory superpowers. From the ocean's bounty of fatty fish rich in omega-3s, to the burst of flavor in berries packed with antioxidants, and the robust crunch of broccoli with its anti-inflammatory magic, we've got it all covered. And that's not all. We'll explore the grape's power-packed compounds and the vibrant allure of tart cherry juice. Plus, we'll savor the liquid gold of olive oil and embrace the garlicky goodness that's been shown to fight osteoarthritis symptoms. And let's not forget the mighty walnuts, brimming with anti-inflammatory compounds that could be your new best friends. So, if you're ready to savor your way to healthier joints, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into a world of delicious healing. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish varieties such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. People with osteoarthritis should aim to eat at least one portion of oily fish per week. Oily fish include sardines, mackerel, salmon, fresh tuna. Those who prefer not to eat fish can take supplements that contain omega-3 instead, such as fish oil, krill oil, or flaxseed oil. Other sources of omega-3 include trusted source chia seeds, flaxseed oil, and walnuts. These foods can also help to fight inflammation. In one study of 176 people, those who ate fish 2 or more times a week showed a significantly lower disease activity score than those who ate less than 1 serving of fish a month. Multiple studies have found that omega-3 fatty acid supplements can help decrease joint pain intensity, morning stiffness, and the number of painful joints. Studies also show that eating fish and vegetables regularly correlates with lower RA activity. Fish is also a good source of vitamin D, which can help prevent deficiency. Multiple studies have found that RA may be associated with low vitamin D levels, contributing to symptoms. The Arthritis Foundation recommends including a 3-6-ounce serving of fish 2 to 4 times a week to take advantage of the beneficial anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2. Berries. Tons of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals are crammed into each serving of berries, which may partially account for their unique ability to decrease inflammation. According to one small study, consuming 40 grams of freeze-dried blueberry powder per day for 4 months improved pain, stiffness, and gait performance in 79 people with knee osteoarthritis compared to a placebo. Similarly, another small study in people with knee osteoarthritis and obesity showed that consuming 50 grams of a freeze-dried strawberry beverage decreased markers of inflammation and reduced pain and cartilage degradation over 26 weeks. Strawberries have also been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, such as tumor necrosis factor alpha, in adults with knee osteoarthritis. If you want to take advantage of these impressive health benefits, there's a wide variety of berries. Strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries are just a few options that satisfy your sweet tooth and provide plenty of arthritis-fighting nutrients. Number 3. Broccoli. It's no secret that cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are one of the healthiest foods. It may even be associated with reduced inflammation. One study that looked at the diets of 1,005 females found that the intake of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli was associated with decreased levels of inflammatory markers. The benefit may be down to the natural components of these vegetables, known as glucosinolates, which can have an anti-inflammatory effect. In one study, researchers found that giving mice one type of glucosinolate, known as sulforaphane, helped improve their bone strength and reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis-related gait. However, in this study, the sulforaphane used was synthetic and not derived from broccoli. More research is needed to determine how sulforaphane in broccoli may help with inflammation. Number 4. Grapes. Grapes are nutrient-dense, high in antioxidants, and possess anti-inflammatory properties. One review of 24 studies concluded that grape products could significantly reduce levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker used to measure inflammation. Additionally, grapes contain several compounds that have been shown to be beneficial in the treatment of arthritis, including resveratrol, an antioxidant in the skin of grapes. One study in 110 people with knee osteoarthritis found that taking a 500 milligrams resveratrol supplement alongside meloxicam, a medication used to treat osteoarthritis, for 3 months could reduce pain severity compared to meloxicam alone. While more research in humans is needed, several animal studies have also shown that certain compounds found in grapes could reduce inflammation and slow the progression of certain types of arthritis. Remember, these animal studies use concentrated doses of antioxidants far greater than the amount you consume in a typical serving of grapes. Therefore, more research is needed to determine how these results may translate to humans. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is an increasingly popular beverage derived from the fruit of the Prunus cerasus tree. This potent juice offers a wide array of nutrients and health benefits and may even help reduce the symptoms of arthritis. One study in 57 people with knee osteoarthritis found that consuming tart cherry juice daily for 120 days improved mobility, pain, and quality of life. Another 4-week study showed that tart cherry juice significantly reduced CRP and uric acid levels, a compound that may be linked to osteoarthritis, by 19.4% and 19.2% respectively. Plus, it may also have anti-inflammatory properties. One animal study found that tart cherry helped protect against bone loss caused by inflammation in mice. Be sure to look for an unsweetened variety of tart cherry juice to ensure you don't consume excess added sugar. In combination with a healthy diet and other arthritis-fighting foods, a serving of unsweetened tart cherry juice per day may help decrease some of the symptoms of arthritis. Number 6. Olive oil. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil may have a favorable effect on arthritis symptoms. In addition to reducing inflammation, some research suggests that certain compounds found in olive oil could promote autophagy, a process that helps clear out damaged cells from the body, which could be beneficial for arthritis. In one study, mice were fed extra virgin olive oil for 6 weeks. This helped stop the development of arthritis, reduce joint swelling, slow cartilage destruction, and decrease inflammation. A test tube study also found that compounds extracted from olive oil could decrease the production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the joints, which may aid in managing RA. Furthermore, diet patterns rich in olive oil, such as the Mediterranean diet, have been shown to reduce pain and improve physical function for people with rheumatoid arthritis. Although more research is needed on the effects of olive oil on arthritis, adding olive oil and other healthy fats to your diet can benefit your health and may reduce arthritis symptoms. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is packed with health benefits. Supplementing with garlic has been shown to have an anti-inflammatory effect that may help decrease symptoms of arthritis. One study in 70 females with active RA found that those who took a 1,000 milligram mg dose of a garlic supplement for 8 weeks saw blood markers for the disease decrease. They also experienced a decrease in joint pain and their disease activity score. In other research, researchers found that taking 1,000 milligrams of garlic in tablet form daily can help relieve the symptoms of knee osteoarthritis and reduce pain and inflammation. Adding whole garlic to your diet may also benefit arthritis symptoms, but there is less research on the effectiveness of eating garlic than taking garlic supplements. Number 8. Walnuts. Walnuts are nutrient-dense and loaded with compounds that may help reduce the inflammation associated with joint disease. Some research suggests that eating walnuts may be associated with reduced markers of inflammation. Interestingly, one study involving 5,013 people also found that more frequent consumption of nuts, including walnuts, was associated with reduced markers of inflammation. Walnuts are also particularly high in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found primarily in plant foods. While omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation and ease symptoms of arthritis, most of the available research has focused on the effects of other types of omega-3 fatty acids, including docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA. Therefore, more studies are needed to understand the potential effects of walnuts. And there you have it, my fellow food enthusiasts. From the deep blue ocean to the vibrant hues of berries and the powerful greens of veggies, we've explored an array of scrumptious options that could be your secret weapon against osteoarthritis. Remember, these natural powerhouses aren't just tasty, but also loaded with nutrients that your joints will thank you for. So why wait? Let's embark on this journey towards better health, one delicious bite at a time. If you found this information helpful and mouth-watering, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow foodies, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more delectable insights. Keep savoring life, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.